Welcome back everyone to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to pay attention and improve your focus and attention. First thing first, prioritize sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night, minimum 6 hours if your schedule is tight. Create the right environment, like keeping your bedroom quiet, dark and cool. Avoid napping during the day and skip caffeine in the late afternoon or evening. Stick to the routine, go to bed and wake up at the same time every day. Secondly, try to exercise regularly. Goal at least 30 minutes of activity daily. 3-10 minutes walk is just as effective as one 30-minute workout. Fun options: you can take a walk outdoors, dance in your living room, or try light stretching or yoga. Thirdly, eat brain-boosting foods. Nutrition for look like antioxidants like omega-3 fatty acids and vitamins for brain health. Best choices are fatty fish, leaf greens, berries, nuts. Avoid highly processed, sugary or starchy food. And finally, practice daily meditation. The benefits of meditations are reducing stress, calms the mind, and sharpens focus. To start, find a quiet spot and sit comfortably. Focus on your breathing for 5 to 10 minutes. Just a tip, use a meditation app or calming music if it's hard to concentrate at first. Doing these practices on a daily basis or in a long time for like 6 months or more will help you for sure improve your attention and your focus on your work, school, or wherever you need this to be. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.